Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. Okay. That's a fairly sharp cut-off, so I'm not sure how we're going to do that bit. But we'll work that out in a minute. Okay, let's start with a nested template. Change this background to that pink. We'll set this background to that pink. And then we'll start giving this some margins. What about 80, 120? Okay. Damn it. I actually only want the right hand side of this, so that 120 is going to be correct. And then we want 80 from the bottom and what? 220? About 200. And that just gets us that shape there. Then we want to do a border radius of, so how wide is that going to be? 80, give or take. Let's call it 80. So we actually want an 80 pixel radius, then 0. 80 pixels 0, and that's exactly back to front. So let's try there. Then let's make that 0. And that's 0. Okay, and that gets us that shape. Now, I'm not sure how we're going to do that cut down the bottom. Oh, unless it will automatically happen because of the extended box. Who knows? Anyway, do a drop, triad box shadow of minus 50 pixels 0. How close is that to where we want to be? Nowhere near. 80. I'm not sure how we get that other shape out of it, because it looks like it would just be a shift of that in white. Actually, a shift of that in white would probably do. So if we make this one pink, now I can't remember which way around box shadows go, so let's just try. Oh, I need that to go above it. So minus 40 pixels, 0, and let's make it white for now. Oh, that will cut out that bit. Beautiful. So let's change that from that white to this colour. I think that should give us a 100% match. That is indeed a 100% match. So let's do unify and unit replace. That's a bit. Okay, that's fairly short, and I think that's where I'm going to leave it today, because we'll just take that character off there. Is there anything else that we can take off? Can that just be a 0 for There we go, we can do that. Uh, no point in using the color because we still need to override it for one or the other, so let's not worry about that. Okay, I'm fairly sure that's as short as I can get it. Score of 720 is not bad at all. So that's where we're going to leave it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.